8 minutes. I repeat, 8 minutes. My second question. On which principle does the thermometer works? I repeat, on which principle does the thermometer
I
work?
say that when you can measure what you are speaking about and express it in numbers, you know something about it. But when you cannot measure it, when you cannot express it in numbers, your knowledge is of a meager and unsatisfactory kind.
My first question is, which is the largest organ of human body?
Skin.
I repeat.
Chandra Bose and mother name was Rama Sundari. The father was a deputy magistrate and mother was a woman of great religious nature. Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose schooling was started in vernacular of an activity named as blowing up a balloon using vinegar and baking soda. Things are required for this activity is empty bottle, vinegar, baking soda, funnel, spoon and balloon. Kiriti and Shanmu, we generally blow a balloon by using our mouth and air pump. Let's try using to blow a balloon by using chemicals. Ruskej, can you explain this activity? Yes, I can explain this activity. First, take the cap of the empty bottle and pour vinegar into it.